welcome back to my channel. I am showing you a planner flip through today of my February spread, and this is my planner this month is Aura Estelle. I don't know if you can see that back there, and I'll show you the front, and I'll just get started right away. First of all, a lot of my planner this month features Cocoa Daisy. The planners that I used this month to incorporate my February planner is the main planner kit, the memory keepers kit, the TN Traveler's Notebook kit, and memory keepers sticker kit, and the Valentines kit. So I got a lot of kits this month, and I've incorporated some of them into here. And I also am making a TN of a Valentine's theme. Got that idea from Christine with Cocoa Daisy, and so that's to come next. But I wanted to share with you what I have here as my layout for the month of February. Anyway, I thought this Aura Estelle planner was perfect because the color was pink, and this is just a notepad here, and it came from Cocoa Daisy for the month of February. The theme is called Paperie, and just one of my favorite things are these antique and old-fashioned typewriters. I actually own one of them, and it kind of looks like this one. But and I just have things incorporated here that are new from this month, and also some that are from my stash. So this came from a previous Cocoa Daisy kit, and I thought that was really cute to incorporate it here. And this actually is a photo here of a coffee mug that I have, and it has one of the typewriters on it, and it says "Write Your Own Story." So anyway, that's just a picture, and I just cropped it down and stuck it there. This is from the current Cocoa Daisy kit. This is a bookmark that I had, and I thought it was so appropriate for the theme this month. I got this on Etsy a long time ago from Faith Plan Shop, or Plant, I can't remember now. Faith Plan Shop, I think it was called. I don't think that she's in business anymore. This came from the current kit, and sometimes we can, like Christine has showed us, that you can punch and put it in our planner here, but this month I decided just to keep it here, use it to tear my washi tape with, or even wrap washi tape around here, and I thought it was just a cute addition right inside my planner cover. This came from just something I had from previous stash, and I just thought it was appropriate. And this came from one of our current Cocoa Daisy kits in Paperie. I love this overlay. One of the things I love most is stationery, and so this was a beautiful way to start my planner. And then this, I incorporated some of the stamping also. These three different things. This little clip here, I don't know if you can see it, but this one is actually just from stash. It's not Cocoa Daisy. It was just something that I had, and I thought it was appropriate for this month. And then this is also just from the current kit. This I cut out. I used a sticker paper to print this out because I'm a subscriber to certain kits. I get access to printables, and this came from the printable. And then I originally had this in here. It's just some vellum that I had, and I ended up cutting it out in a half heart shape, and then I got the idea to grab a piece of solid and make it a whole heart, and so that's just part of my decor. This came from the Cocoa Daisy kit. You can see the shimmer on here for the little hearts. I just love that. And then current kit also, these little clear pockets, I get those from the Target dollar store. And just some things I cut out from the current kit. I used some stamps here. These are the rub-ons. And this is some of the washi tape. So I really try to incorporate a little bit on every page that I do. Sometimes, like this one, I could probably go back and add some stickers to that, but it's also work in progress, I feel like, over the month. This is my month of February. Of course, this is before the pen, so I just kind of do some conservative decorating, but label my days of the week and all the days, and add a few little stickers here and there. Then this is from previous stash. This is the current washi tape. And I used to not be able to do this, put pattern on pattern. I used to not like that. That wasn't appealing to my eye. And all of a sudden, it's something that I like, and I do it all the time now. And so you'll see it a lot here, pattern upon pattern, and I actually think it looks okay. And these are just some of the cards that came with the current kit. This is a previous little Simon sticker from a previous kit. This is the puffy sticker. And then I go into my dailies. And again, this is from a previous Cocoa Daisy kit, another little Simon. These are my dailies. I don't do too much in them right now. I kind of wait until I'm actually in the week doing things and writing notes. So that was very minimal for me. And then I just incorporated, this is the printed paper that came with one of the kits, and I added some of the puffy stickers here. This is one of the 4x6 cards, and then I just added a backing on it, and then I used this double-sided tape, and I stuck it here, here, and here, and then let it sit, and then I was able to stick the little paper pad in there, and so that's where I keep that for the month. And then this came from a previous Cocoa Daisy kit, and the large tags, I just put them back to back and tape them together. Actually, this one wasn't a tag. I created this one. This one was a tag. This one I made it. And so I just cut out this paper and then cut out one of the cards and kind of put this together myself, and then added the ribbon there. And this was an idea from somebody else. I can't quite remember her name, but it was a video on Cocoa Daisy, and she had showed us how she cut this at a slant. And so it just allows you to put things in and out very easily. And this is my meal planning section. Again, just incorporating lots of different things. So the cards, this is previous Cocoa Daisy kit, and then puffy stickers here. And then I used my stamps to make the menu sign there. And then this is where I journal and write down what I eat every day. And this is something that came with the current kit. And I thought that was great because I can either write on here or keep reusing it and just clip on a piece of paper and put down my menu list there, or my grocery list. And then kind of go through the whole month. I haven't got it all filled out yet, so I have extra paper here. And oh, this, I don't know if you can see that very well. This clip came from Very Sweet Plans on Etsy. I have a lot of her clips that I use. And then I just stuck this little Starbucks card back there. It's one of my favorite ones because I love to take pictures. And then this is my self-care section. This came from a previous Cocoa Daisy kit. And this came, this one of the stickers from the Memory Keepers kit. And I just thought the colors were appropriate. You know, you don't have to do all red and pink for Valentine's Day. And the way that Christine incorporated the Paperie theme, it kind of allows you to add hearts and make it Valentine's-y wherever you want to, but you can keep it with some great tonal colors as well. And this is just another page that I made with some chipboard, puffy stickers. This is a rub-on, and this is just my section for beauty and appointments. And this idea I got from Christine as well, and that was where she cut out this bird cage here, and this is from the printable that you get if you are a subscriber. And so I just used some of the great washi tape from this month, and kind of decorated the back of it as well. Another puffy sticker here and here, and kind of self-explanatory there. This page, this was just one of the printed papers that came with the kit this month, one of the cards. And I just added some washi tape and some stamping, so you don't always have to do so much to your pages. And then another, just back, this is a puffy sticker, another card. This was from the printable. So I print this out on sticker paper, and then it sticks just perfectly wherever you want it. This is one of the stamps. And then this is just a section where I keep notes. And then this next section, this is a piece of vellum that I had in my stock. So I thought that was pretty. This, again, was from the printables, and I just peeled them off and stuck them to my page with a couple of puffy stickers. And this is my must-do section, so I'm gonna keep lists of here of things that I need to do, whether it's this month, next month, or in the near future. And I made this dashboard as well, and this came from the printable, and I was able to print it on sticker paper and just cut these out and lay them all down, and with this printed paper behind it. And then my last section here is something, I just got this printed paper from the kit, and then this was a one of the cards, and I liked both sides of it. Do small things with great love. And then this, and so what I did was I stuck it to this side, but before I stuck it down, I got an X-Acto knife and I cut a hole in the cardstock on this side so that you could see both sides of the card. And so I liked how that turned out. Just a puffy sticker here. I incorporated some stamps, and yeah, that's about it. So this back section, I just put notes, but it's more for just information of my planners and just notes that I keep for myself of things that I need to remember. And then that's it. I just have these two sections back here where I keep business cards. I got these on Amazon. And then this I got from Paper Panda, and just to hold extra pens, because on the main planner, this is from a previous kit, and I just thought it was so pretty, and with the colors, it really worked well for this month for me. So I grabbed that pen, and then this one is the Click Art in this adorable, you know, color pink, and I wanted an extra pen to carry along with my planner, and so this just sticks wherever you want it to, and the color was perfect for this month. And then this is just a cute little Simon clip from, I think it came in, I don't know if it's the Valentines kit or the main planner kit, and then back here I can just store some of my extra stickers for the month in case I need to add something throughout the month. And that's kind of it. Let me know if you have any questions about my monthly setup. Thank you for watching, and I will be working on my traveler's notebook and hopefully share that with you as well. Thanks. Bye.